Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to activate RBC credit card if you don't have the app. So first of all, you need to go to this link here, rbc.com/activate, and click on it. And this is the method to activate your RBC online bank using the web app. Now in the card number field, add your card number. Alright, and just click start activation. So your card number will be the 60-digit card number on the front of your card. So this is the only way to activate it via a web browser, even if you don't have the app. Now, if you still need more assistance, then you can just activate by phone by calling this number here, 1-877-900-5900. And this is the number for personal or business cards, right? Okay, and that's all there is to it. Once activated, just sign the back of your new card. And if it's a replacement, don't forget to safely destroy your old one. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.